how to separate your audio from your video in CapCut. So if your video and your audio is under one single layer, I'm going to show you how we can extract the audio from the video, and that's going to let you make edits to the audio separately from the video. Now to do this, we're just going to start by importing our video footage. So I've got my video over here, and then we just need to drag the video onto the timeline like so. And at the moment, you can obviously see that the video and the audio is all one same selection. Now to go and separate this, we just need to right click on the video track, and then you can press the option to extract audio. Now what this will do is it will separate the audio onto its own track, and then you can basically edit this audio separate from the video. Now you also have the option to separate the audio, and this is slightly different. This is when you want to separate specific parts of the audio. So if you just wanted to take out the vocals, for example, or you can select any of these different instruments below. But for most people, just using extract audio is going to be more than enough. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.